Hey everyone, I hope you're doing well. In this video, I will show you how to transfer crypto from Ledger to Robinhood. Now, first you need to do is open up your Ledger Live app and then you will see this similar screen. From here, you have to swipe right on these options such as your swipe, buy, receive. So you have to swipe right and then you will find this send button. You have to click on it. And then from this list of cryptocurrencies or networks, you have to select the cryptocurrency that you want to transfer, and after that on this area you have to paste the wallet address from your Robinhood app. So open up your Robinhood app and then click on this crypto option from the bottom of your screen. Then you can simply click on this search bar, search icon at the top of your screen, and then you can simply type the name of cryptocurrency in this search bar and then select the cryptocurrency from search results. I will just type the Bitcoin and select the Bitcoin from here, and then from here I have to scroll down and then you will find these two options, send and receive. You have to click on receive and you will be able to get your QR code and the wallet address for your selected cryptocurrency. Now click on copy address and then go back to the Ledger Live app and paste the wallet address in this area and then click on continue. After that you just have to enter the amount how much you want to transfer and then click on continue. And lastly you have to make sure that your wallet address and the network is correct and then simply select the fees fee type that you want to use, such as slow, medium or fast, and then click on continue. And then this might show you this warning that network fees are greater than 10% of amount. Simply click on continue. And lastly you can open up the Bitcoin app on your device and then authorize this action. And once you do that, your cryptocurrency will be transferred from your Ledger to your Robinhood. So I hope this video was helpful. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel.